Namaskara, Harsha here. Welcome back. So today is the day 2 of the 21-day handstand mastery. So in the first video, in the last practice class, I had actually showed you how to get started with the hand balancing, which is the first hand balancing that you have to do in order to get that perfect handstand that you've been dreaming about. So the last time we practiced, the first asana that we practiced was Bhujapidasana, which is the shoulder press hand balancing. So you get started with that. So I hope you guys give it a try. If you didn't, you can find the link in the description. Please do give it a try and then you move to the next one that I'm going to teach right now. So last week, both the legs were on the respective shoulders, hence the name was called as Bhujapidasana. So today, we're going to do the second one, which is Ekapadabhujasana. Only one of the shoulders will be on one of the legs will be on the shoulder, and another leg we're going to stretch it in the front. So this is the second asana in the hand balancing practices that we are going to be doing for the next 21 days. The second asana that you have to gain mastery in order to get that perfect dream handstand is this one. This is Ekapadabhujasana. So now let's see how this is done. This time I'm going to make sure only one of my hand is inside. I'm going to keep my legs a bit apart. As I said last time, the legs must be as wide as your shoulder. I'm going to move the legs apart. I'm going to bend a little bit. This time, only my right hand will be inside the right leg, like this. So once I do this, I lift the right foot up. I get the balance. And the head shouldn't be down. Eyesight must be in the front. If you're able to do this, just drop the leg down. Let's see if it's possible for you to do the same on the left side. You bend the leg, you tuck the hands in, and see if you can lift the left foot up. So most of the times when you're here, the left foot flat on the mat, you find it difficult to even lift the foot up. If that's the case, you can avoid this practice. But if it's easier for you to lift the leg, now let's go to the next step. So as you can see, now you're able to move lift the left foot also. We're able to lift the right foot also. Now let's go to the next step. So I'm going to bend the leg. I'm going to tuck the right hand inside the right leg. I'm going to lift the foot and then I stretch the leg. As you can see, my left leg is completely straight. I lift it up. To start with, I make sure the heel is on the mat and then I look front. And while coming back, I bend and then I come back. So we did with the right one. Let's see if we can do the same with the left. I keep the foot apart. I bend. Now first, I tuck the left hand inside the left leg and then I stretch the leg. And then I come back. So this is how you do step by step. If you haven't practiced Ekapadabhujasana at all, you start with this. First step and then the second step. If you find this very easy, if you're able to do this, now let's go to the final step. This is how you do Ekapadabhujasana. You bend the leg, you tuck your hand in, and then straight. Bend, and then you come back. So this is how it's done. It's easier for you to just see this for the first time, and this thought of lifting the leg, you'll only get to know how difficult it is when you actually do it yourself. It comes by practice. Just go with it. Repetitions is the only secret for you to gain mastery with respect to the asana practice. Nothing else. Now let's see if we can do the same on the left side. I keep the foot apart. I tuck the hand in. And then I stretch. You can stay here for 5 seconds to start with. If you find this difficult, you can keep the heels on the mat. Else, you can lift the leg up. And want to come back. Bend the leg and come back. So, this is the second day of the 21-day handstand mastery. The second asana that you learned today was Ekapadabhujasana. One leg was on one of the shoulders and the other leg was stretched in the front. Hence the name Ekapadabhujasana. Even in this, you can start to do this step by step. I showed you 3 steps how to start with. First, with just the leg on the shoulder. Second, with the leg stretched in the front, but you rest the heels on the mat. Third one, you lift the leg completely off the floor. So this is the second asana in the journey of the handstand mastery. Do give this a try and do let me know how you felt in the comments below. I really look forward to reading them. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next one.